Hello, this is Wimpy Games, and well, as you can see, we've got a monkey
smoking weed.
It's not weed, you idiot.
Well, oh yeah, because we was gonna do weed.
Yeah.
You're not even blowing; it's just doing it.
He's blowing it. You noob. Look at him smoke that shit.
How are you making him blow it though?
I don't know.
What the hell? You meant to suck in and blow, but like the monkey's alive. Alive! It's alive!
I think he's addicted to weed.
Cue the epic music.
I think he's had it before, and he's addicted to weed as well. Shall we see?
I said cue the epic music.
What? What did he say?
Okay, we have stopped the epic music now. Yeah!
What music?
You're an idiot! I meant edit it in. Like when I said cue the epic music. Hi guys, Mr. Crit here with Oliver Goop, also known as Wimpy Games UK, because that's the channel we're uploading. And we are having a monkey smoking weed for fun because we did not know. Hi, because we did not know what other video to do. Oliver, get your face
That's how
out of
sad
it.
we are. Okay, so first drag. Oh, look at him drag that. Look at him smoke that shit. Oh, look at that. Check it out. Check
Monkey, mouth, cigarette. This is weed, by the way.
Yeah, this is weed. How can we get cigarettes mixed up with weed, Adam? It's like all the time. And to view this app, you type
Cigarettes are weed, aren't they?
in... No.
Well, you put weed in cigarettes, don't you? I don't know. I'm confused.
We don't.
I don't know anything about weed.
Yeah.
Whoa, he gets a little ding-a-ling for smoking some weed.
And that's the end.
I'm so high, bitch! Cue the epic music. Wee! Give me some more! Give me some more! Adam, and then you'll do me dead. Oh no. Uh-oh. Just stay there. I think Oliver's dead! Oliver's dead! Oliver's dead! Oliver. Oliver. Gary, I'm gonna kill you, monkey. After you see these things. Yeah. Anywho. And I'll kill you, monkey. Okay, thank you for watching. I've been Adam, always been Oliver.
Old weed brought me back to life.
Yeah. He magically came back to life. Okay.
Because of weed.
Thanks for watching. See, weed isn't all bad. Thanks for watching. Bye.